Congratulations on the purchase of your brand new Heartway Vita S12S. Here at Out and About Healthcare, we believe in empowering people on their journey to independence with the latest in mobility innovation. Thank you for joining the Out and About family. If you have purchased a canopy, rear basket, or other accessory, please refer to our accessory assembly video. The link will be in the description below. Now that you have your brand new Vita, it's time to open it. You will find your invoice on the front of the box. Once you open the box, remove any loose items. We recommend cutting the sides of the box to make getting your Vita out easier. Once the sides are cut, you'll need to raise the tiller to remove the seat. Straighten it by pushing the lever down and pushing the tiller up. Remove the seat. Remove any remaining packaging from the scooter. We recommend driving your scooter off the pallet. Please note the lip as you drive the scooter off the pallet. Once your scooter is off, you'll need to attach your seat. Line the bottom up with the mount and slide it in. Your armrest will need to be adjusted. Lift the armrest up and roll the adjustment dial left to increase the angle. To attach the headrest, slide the bars into the headrest points. The height can be adjusted by pushing the button and positioning the headrest. Your mirrors will need to be screwed in near the control panel. Remove the plastic on the side cover of your scooter. Your Vita is now ready to drive. In the box, you will have received a charger. To charge your scooter, connect the cable to the battery box. Your charging port is located underneath the tiller near the key. Slide the charging port open and plug in the XLR charger. We recommend purchasing an outlet surge protector for your Vita. This will help protect it from damage in the event of a sudden surge of power. Plug the charger into a standard wall outlet. Your battery has an LED indicator to monitor the progress of your charge. If it's flashing green, the power is on, but not charging your scooter. Orange is charging your scooter, and green means your scooter is fully charged. We recommend charging your scooter overnight after daily use. Do not let your battery drop to zero. It is important to keep an eye on your battery indicator, as it is a visual representation of your charge. On 6 bars, your battery is well charged. On 4, start consider charging. On 2, you have a low charge and will need to charge your scooter. Your Vita has a digital control panel, which has indicator buttons, a high-low speed switch, hazard lights, and horns. Below the screen, you have your headlight button, mode, set, and backup light button. The icons at the top of your screen show you what you have selected and will light up when in use. Your display panel shows you the time, temperature, trip, battery gauge, and speed. To adjust the settings, hold the mode and set button simultaneously. Press the set button to adjust the hour time. Once you're happy, press the mode button to move to the minutes. Press mode again to toggle between kilometers per hour and miles per hour, and Celsius and Fahrenheit. When you're finished, hold the mode and set button simultaneously for 2 seconds. The Vita offers a number of comfort adjustments to suit individual needs. As previously seen, the angle of your armrest can be adjusted by turning the adjustment dial. To adjust the height of your headrest, press the button at the bottom and position the headrest to a comfortable height. If you need to bring the tiller closer, push the lever on the tiller down and pull the tiller towards you, releasing at your desired position. To bring your seat forward or move it back, bring the front lever underneath your seat up and position it comfortably before releasing the lever. To adjust your seating angle, pull the seating lever up and push against the chair to recline your seat, or lean forward to bring it closer. When you are comfortable, push the lever down again. Your Vita is equipped with an automatic electromagnetic braking system. This means if you release the accelerator lever, your Vita will automatically slow to a stop. Your Vita features an adjustable seat belt, swivel seat, large pneumatic tyres for a smooth ride, and full front and rear suspension. To activate freewheel mode on your scooter, locate the red lever at the back. Push the lever down to activate freewheel mode. This means you'll be able to push your scooter manually. To take it off, simply push the lever up again. Do not activate freewheel mode when your scooter is on. If you do, you'll need to switch it off and restart it to re-engage the brakes. If an error occurs with your scooter, an exclamation mark will flash at the top of your screen. The exclamation mark will flash a certain amount of times and present an error message code in the form of a number. This will give you an idea as to what the problem may be. Here's a quick snapshot of the errors. For more detailed information, please refer to the manual or contact your place of purchase. It is important to correctly maintain your scooter to ensure it lasts. We recommend routine checks on your scooter to ensure everything is performing adequately. We recommend checking the condition of your tyres and ensuring your battery is appropriately charged before each use. Every 6 months, we recommend booking in a routine service for your scooter. This is to replace the motor brushes and ensure your Vita is in optimal driving condition. If you have any questions with your new Vita, be sure to refer to the manual or contact Out and About Healthcare on 1300 366 545.